Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Place the HomePod on a stable surface at least 6 inches from walls. Keep it 5 inches from corners for clear sound and mic pickup. Plug the HomePod into power and wait for the white light to appear on top. Hold your unlocked iPhone within 1 foot of the HomePod to start setup automatically. Follow the on-screen prompts in the Home app to choose a room and enable Siri. Sign in with the same Apple ID used on your iPhone for seamless access to music. Tap the top of the HomePod once to play or pause audio playback. Swipe across the touch surface to increase or decrease volume by small increments. Say "Hey Siri" or press the top to give voice commands for music and smart home control. Ask Siri to set timers, send messages, or read reminders hands-free while cooking. To stream from apps, open Control Center on your iPhone and select AirPlay to send audio to HomePod instantly and reliably. Use the Home app to create a stereo pair or multi-room group for synchronized music. Pair 2 HomePods in the same room to get left and right channels for fuller sound. Manage personal requests and microphone access in the Home app to control privacy and message access. Keep software updated by enabling automatic updates or installing them manually from Home app settings. If audio or Siri seems wrong, unplug HomePod for 10 seconds, then plug it back in.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.